Hello, welcome to Rusty Acres. Down here in the woods today, behind the shop where the Frick sawmill's going. Wanted to bring you guys along and show you the process and all the steps involved with setting up the sawmill. First, we're going to clear the lot off, do some grading and some site work, and I'll show you everything we have to do here. Right here is where the mill's going to get set up. So we got to clear all these trees out. I got some of them marked with orange paint. This red oak here, it's probably 36 inches breast high. Maybe there's a white oak here, same thing, 36 breast high. A couple scraggly cherry trees, hickory nut. But this red oak, I don't know if you can see it, up in this first crotch. I'll zoom in. There's a raccoon up there sleeping. So I guess we'll have to wait till he's gone before I knock that tree down. But over here is where the mill will be set up. It's a Frick number 1. Pretty big mill. For number 1 is one of the largest Frick made. 25 feet of carriage, 65 feet of track. So it'll have a pretty big footprint. The number 1 I got off of Harry Toman. His grandfather bought the mill brand new. They had it set up on their farm. Bought it in 1941. I bought it off him. I brought it home. I rewooded the track, painted everything. It's been sitting up here at the shop probably 2 years. When I first brought that mill home, I thought, I got it May 2023. And I thought, once I first got the mill home, I thought, well, I'll have this thing set up in the fall. Well, 2 years later, we're just clearing ground for it. But nevertheless, good things take time. So I'll bring you back as we progress. Thanks. Well, a couple hours work. We have this just about cleaned out. One tree left, but we still have our guest up there. So hopefully he's going tomorrow. I don't know what he's thinking. And this one here, somebody has a tree stand in it. I guess I'll take it out and knock that one down, but it's pretty much one more tree really is all we need. And then a little bit of cleaning up, and maybe I'll grind that stump out there. Got a couple logs here. White oak, red oak, a couple cherry, some maple. There's Josie. Can't do anything without her. She's always here to help. And that's about it. One more. All right. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.